Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name's Adam Santone and I just want to give you a quick welcome. So thank you for being here. Please consider liking and subscribing. And I just want to tell you a little bit about what to expect with this channel. My background is in science, technology, and education. I really love computer graphics and helping people to learn technical content. And what I would like to do with this channel is bring some information about data, technology, data science, visualization, visual design theory, things like that to help people who are also in the business of teaching, but also for anyone else who's interested in learning about this stuff. I think it's incredibly valuable, highly transferable skill sets, and I think anyone can really use this information. So what you can expect are videos and content around how to use programming languages like R or Python. You can learn how to use Quarto systems like that to produce documents. You might hear tools and tricks on how to create automation pipelines for document processing, and generally helpful information in these technical areas. So stay tuned, and I look forward to seeing you here.